Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warranty-Wise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic VW Scirocco for a little test drive. Car starts very nicely, slip it down into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away really nicely there. The gearbox feels really smooth. Suspension's riding the bumps with ease. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should, and it is a really lovely car to drive. You've got dynamic chassis control on this, which is an upgrade, so using this button down here you can change it between sport, comfort and normal. This one's also got the sat-nav touchscreen multimedia system, which has also got DAB radio as well as FM, AM and CD player. It's got auxiliary import. It's also got what they call an MDI cable. At the moment it's got a connection that can go on that for USB and iPod. I think other connection cables are available. You've got dual zone climate control here. The full leather, really nice leather seats, really stylish, really comfortable, heated as well. Got really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with flappy paddles, so you can manually change the gear if you want. Plenty of power. Also got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, the normal electric windows, electric door mirrors. So yeah, it's a really nice example with some really decent extras on it as well. It's driving lovely. It's going to make a fantastic car for somebody, hopefully you. And there we are. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.